everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I will be unboxing this Born Pretty nail art set that I was sent. So I'll show you guys some swatches and then we'll get started with the nail tutorial. So let's unbox this first. So pretty much what I have here are the neon nail art gel polish set, and it's pretty much neon colorful colors. There's like a pink, a purple, blue, 2 greens, and an orange. Alright, so I'll start the swatches.
About it in a film festival wrap-up, my TIFF video, con, Sundance, or any of my best of videos, or on the Intercut podcast, which I'll have linked down below. And a big one that I've talked about before that I'm choosing to leave off this list.
Look how pretty these bottles are. This matte black. I kind of got my fingerprints all over it, but with the gold lining, gold trimming, and the gold letters. Born Pretty has some very classy looking bottles. I love their bottle design. Okay, so here are all the swatches. I only did one coat, but here's how they look. Very pretty colors, very pigmented. I'm excited to see how these turn out. I have an idea of what set I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna do something with swirls, because I really want these colors to like pop out in contrast and really just pop. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna do the pop off method and put some top coat on. Okay, so I'm gonna use these extra long square tips by Egg Galore and Core, and I'm just gonna glue these on. Now that I glued them on, I'm just going to clip them. Probably not gonna clip them super short. Now I'm going to file them. Okay, now that I'm done filing the nails, I'm gonna start with application. I'm gonna use Valentino Beauty Pure Blossom Acrylic as the base, and I'll get started on that. how they look now that I'm done with application. Looks pretty good so far. So now I'll just get started on filing. Here's how they look after I buff them and also file them. And now I'll just get started on the nail art. Okay, so what I'm going to do is do 3 colors on one finger, kind of mix match like these 2 fingers, and then for the other 2 I'll do the other 3 colors. So for the first nail, my pointer, I'm just gonna use orange, pink, and purple. I'm also gonna use this Born Pretty silver glitter painting gel, and I'm also gonna use this white gel polish by Modelones. The reason why I'm kind of doing a mismatch with all of the nails is because I want to utilize all of the gel polishes as much as possible, so that's how I'm gonna do it. how they both look. Looks pretty nice. Now I have 2 more fingers to go. By the way, it's like 2:36 in the morning and I'm like halfway done. Now that I've done those 2 fingers, I'm just going to do the other 3 colors. These are more the blue and the greens for the other fingers, so let's get started on that. very groovy, swirly. So after that's done, I'll put some top coat. I was originally gonna put some gems, but I think that might overshadow what's going on here. So let's put some top coat. Next, I'm putting some cuticle oil on top. Here are the final results. What do you guys think? I think these nails look amazing. Like, wow. Very swirly, very groovy looking. Definitely something that would be 70s theme. Maybe I should title the video that way. We'll see. But Born Pretty definitely did their thing. The polishes were just amazing. Like, very pigmented, very vibrant. Especially the pinks and the greens. Like, I didn't even have to do 2 coats. Like, this is all just 1 coat. And look how vibrant they look. I would definitely give this set a 10 out of 10. And I would definitely recommend it. So what did you guys think about this video? What do you guys think about this nail set? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you try out this nail kit? Let me know down below. And make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any recommendations or suggestions, I'm always trying to look for new things to try out. Polygel kits, gel polish kits. So just let me know. And then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.